Laser Build-Off. Choose your character. Travis. Begin.
So let me tell you a story about my sword. Waded through deep bogs, many days camping on the side of a mountain, wolves on my tail. Eventually I made it to a cave. I could smell it, I could smell the dragon, and right at the base of its hoard was this sword. Okay, no, I'm kidding. Really, I actually made this? No, I did not find it at the base of a dragon's hoard. It is completely made out of metal, except for some tiny little details that are acrylic. Honestly, the most difficult thing was gonna be the little floaties here. I had to actually take a drill, and luckily this is aluminum. I was able to drill through the side of this and use some JB Weld and put those in place, but kind of gives that effect that they're floating off the side of this. This is all 100% my own design. The design was actually inspired, I don't know if you've ever tried Guild Wars 2. It was inspired from the Ashuran weapons. You got the text going up the blade. If anybody can figure out what that text says, I'll give you a thumbs up. I almost forgot, there's actually one other thing.